What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to switch between different background themes. How do you go about it? Let's get started. So all you need to do is just click this icon and proceed to settings, and when you go to settings you need to visit that is personalization. And the moment you click personalization, you can see you can be able to click between different background themes. So these are majority of these are Windows 11 background themes. So these are not background themes that I have downloaded. Like this one, these are Windows 11 background theme. We also have this one, and this one. But the only three Windows 11 background themes. We have this one, and this one, and this one. But these other three, these are background themes that I have downloaded. That is from Windows, that is Microsoft App Store. So in case you want to switch between different background themes, all you need to do is just select. So now you just need to go click and it automatically switch to, that is, you can check here, it automatically switch to Windows 11, but that is to the background theme that you just switch. So for example, I have just selected this one and you can see it has already updated on my screen. If I can check in the back end, you can see this, the background themes has already been updated. So in case you want to switch from this background theme to another one, all you need to do is just right click. In case you want to access the variety of background themes under this category, all you need to do is just right click onto your screen, that is Windows 11, your desktop screen, then click next desktop background theme. Just click the next background themes, and you can see you have been able to switch to another background themes of the same category with the one that we have at the moment. So you just need to click another, just click next. You can just click next until you get the best, that is background theme, depending on your desires. You can see you can go to switch between one background theme to the other. So in case you want to download these background themes, this kind of background themes, any type of background themes, they are free. They are free of charge. All you need to do is just click this icon. This is what you call the Google Play Store. I have already pinned my application here. In case it is not pinned, you can just click that is with this icon here and look for that is Google, that is Microsoft App Store. Just click the Microsoft App Store. Then when you go to Microsoft App Store, select that is just search for wallpapers or background themes, or you can just click here and go to settings, that is settings, then go to personalization. Then you can click here, you can click you can click themes. Just double click themes, and when you double click themes, actually there is a link that will send you direct to, that is, you can click here, that is get more themes from Microsoft App Store. Just click here, it will take you direct to Microsoft App Store where you can be able to download those background themes. And that's all we have for today guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.